feeling good?
Yeah.
You look
Great.
good. You look great.
Thank you. Next month.
Is it already?
Yeah.
When's your expected days?
The 29th.
After New Year's, baby?
I hope earlier.
Maybe a Christmas.
Yeah.
Chiropractic adjustments open up your nerve system, allowing you to function at your very best. Years of clinical experience shows that chiropractic care throughout pregnancy restores balance to your pelvis, often resulting in shorter labor and easier delivery. Chiropractic adjustments throughout pregnancy often relieve or prevent the common discomforts experienced in pregnancy: nausea, morning sickness, backaches, and indigestion. Having regular chiropractic adjustments often helps prevent complications during childbirth.
I don't know if it's that he's getting bigger and I could feel him more, or if he's just starting to not sleep.
They just
moves
roll around all the
constantly,
time.
yeah.
This is
It's fun,
definitely
though.
a
This
D?
is my favorite part, yeah. I like being able to feel him, it's cool.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's
I'm
fun
gonna
to
go
watch
over
your
here.
belly jump up and down.
It's a beautiful thing, isn't it?
It is.
A chiropractor aligns your spine and pelvis through gentle adjustments. This relieves pressure on the nerves, allowing full nerve energy to reach all of your organs, including the uterus, helping your developing baby grow healthy. Your nerve system controls and coordinates all of the many hormonal changes occurring in the mother and developing baby. During pregnancy, more than ever, you need a nerve system that responds to the changing requirements in all parts of your body, and therefore, you need a healthy spine.
You good?
Yep.
Yeah, it's been fabulous. You clear?
Yeah,
You're set.
feel good. Thanks.
Regular chiropractic adjustments are a great benefit to both moms and babies. A healthier pregnancy means a healthier baby.